Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, this is a 15-minute chart of the ES, and it's been a kind of a wild night. I took more. I had a short going. I shorted the afternoon on Friday at 39.5. I took some of that off before the close, and in the 34 area. I took more off last night in the 33 area, and I had set a 36.5 stop when I went to bed last night, and I woke up to being stopped out, which is fine. So it was a good trade, but I was very surprised. I was surprised we made it back down to 29.5 in the overnight as quickly as we did, and I was very surprised how much that level was rejected to the tune of 10 handles. 34 is now coming up as support here, and we are trying to break out over the 39.5 overnight high. If we do that, we go test 40.75. But the bottom line really is this, and it's what I posted about on Twitter after the close on Friday. The bulls are creating a ceiling at the 1845 to 1846 area. They've demonstrated an inability for the duration of 2014 to get through that area. And the one caveat I had with respect to the Friday session was that the bulls needed to make new highs. They didn't do it. Could they make new highs today? Maybe. Maybe this last push down to the blue line there, the 9-day moving average, is what they needed to do in order to have enough confidence with a low and a higher low to push through. That would be the bullish scenario for the day. However, if once again the bulls cannot get through 45.46 and we see a change in the dynamic, which is instead of having these morning dips to buy, we have a morning pop that gets sold, then you could see a change in the dynamic of this market, at least over the short term. On the intermediate or long term, the bears remain a complete joke. I mean, there's really no other way to describe it. That's why I say to the folks in my room, I say it that way so that it sticks in everybody's mind to say, hey, if we're short, we're counter trend. We need to get what we can out of the trade and then get out of it. You can't make the kind of mistakes short that you can make long in this market. For the last year and a half, you could be long and you could screw up your entry and you could, really not be all that good of a trader and, make money on the long side. If you tried to do it on the short side, you had to be, it forces you to be early, it forces you to be patient, and it forces you not to be too early, because if you're too early, you're going to run out of patience or capital, whichever comes first. Okay? So, right now I'm flat. I'm very interested to see how the regular session reacts to this move higher. And we'll be watching very closely for that potential morning pop sell-off change in the dynamic. Now, if the bulls blow through that, if we get a pop and there's a very shallow retrace and then we get a higher high, then I think today is the day we take out 46.5 and move higher. My reservation comes from the fact that if this type of price action was happening, 6 months, 9 months ago, where we were up 12 days, had that one-day wonder, made a low, we would already have done, on Friday, we would have done new highs. We'd be trading like 53, 55, 57, and we wouldn't be looking back. We're lingering up here, and I'm starting to wonder why, and I think I'm not the only one that's wondering that. So, the bulls have another chance here to get through, and they need to capitalize. Okay. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out the chat room. Come start a free trial. Monday's a great day to start. A lot of other people, we're getting people in every day on trials, and we're keeping a lot of people We're helping with their trading, and that's what it's all about. That's why we do what we do. A lot of fantastic traders in the room, so please come check that out. I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.